Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying which Roblox update broke things and why, so check the current version and note the timestamp. Next, back up your Roblox folder and any local game assets to avoid data loss. Once done, obtain the specific older installer or build you want. Make sure it matches your platform. You do this because restoring an exact prior build prevents incompatibilities with saved data, and backing up means you can return to the updated state if needed. Next, remove the current Roblox installation completely. Uninstall through Control Panel or System Settings to avoid mixed files. After uninstalling, delete leftover folders in app data and program files, and consider cleaning specific registry keys if you know what you're doing. This avoids conflicts. Then run the older installer as administrator to ensure proper permissions. Once installed, temporarily block Roblox auto-updates using firewall rules, or finally, launch Roblox and test the specific games or features that failed before. Verify that performance and functionality match the older version. If problems persist, restore your backup and retry a clean uninstall/install. Sometimes leftover files cause issues. Make sure to clear temporary data, update graphics drivers, and inspect Roblox log files for error messages to pinpoint causes. If auto-update returns, reapply your block method. Keep one key tip in mind. Always retain your backup until you confirm the revert is fully successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.